We are dealing with the English alphabets, and each alphabet will lead us to success. Now we have reached the last alphabet, that is Z. When we come to Z, there are two things connected with Z. One is zero, the other is zenith. Zero, we all know that zero. We all begin with zero. Zenith is the topmost part is zenith, for which we start from zero to the zenith of glory. The zenith of glory happens when we start with zero. We can consider ourselves as zero and God as hero. So we can consider God as one and we as zero. When we put zero after one, it becomes valid. When we put one zero, it becomes 10. Two zeros, it becomes 100. If we put more and more zeros, it will become bigger and bigger. So when we become bigger in our life, something which we achieve in life, for each achievement, we have a feeling that we are zero only. So when we are zero only God can prevail. Only when we become a zero. God is the only one which prevails through us. We are only the instrument of the Lord. We can become instrument all the time. If we consider we as the master, then God cannot work through us. God can work through us when we become an instrument, not the master. We become the slave of God. Let us be the slave of God all the time. Let us be the instrument of God all the time. For that, let us be humble all the time. That humility is needed all the time. So wherever we reach, must be humble. Or to what extent we reach, we must be humble. To what heights we reach, we must be humble. So wherever we are, we must be humble. Humility is the core of our life. If we leave humility, then actually our soul is moving from us. We are losing our soul. Our soul is humility. Our soul is God, and God is the symbol of humility. God prevails in us only when we accept God to prevail. There's the word ego. Ego stands for eliminate God out. When ego comes, then God will be out. Ego stands for ourselves. So when we allow ourselves to enter, God will go out. When we allow ours to come out from, when we leave ourselves, then we are accepting God. God and I cannot go together. When I go, God will come. So the ego stands for I. When the I is not there, then God is there. When God is there, I is not there. So what we need, either God or I. If we want God, then I cannot be there. If we want I, God cannot be there. So we can consider God as one and be I as zero. When I becomes zero, God becomes one. When I become one, then there is no chance. We cannot become one. It's a false notion that we are one. We cannot become one. Only God can become one. So that feeling we must have. We must position God in that place always. Devadhinam Jagat Sarvam. So the God is responsible for everything in this world. Anorani and Mahado Mahiyan. So in the shortest atom, God is prevailing. God is everywhere. If God is not there, nothing can exist. Everything exists because of God only. So that notion we must have, that idea we must have, that mind we must have, that thinking we must have. So when we have that thinking, then we remain in zero always. Let us remain in zero always. God is the only hero. We are not the hero, God is the hero. So hero works through us only when we become a zero. When we become a zero, then hero can work through us. Hero is God and hero will work through us when we remain as a hero. Remain as a zero. We can remain as a zero, then we reach zenith. Zenith is something which is possible when we remain as a zero. So zero will enable us to reach zenith. If zero is absent, then zenith is not possible. Zenith is possible only when we accept zero. Without accepting zero, there cannot be any zenith. So we are enjoying the ripe fruit, and the fruit was not once upon a time not ripe, and it was unripe. From unripe only it reached ripeness. So our life is also unripe in the beginning and reaches ripe later. When we become ripe, must consider that we started from zero and we must remain in zero and we must end in zero, and God is the only thing working through us in the beginning and in the middle, and then God is the only force within us. There is no other force in the beginning, there is no other force in the middle, there is no other force in the end. So God is sending us, God is enabling us to exist, God is calling us back. So everything God does. So God is the only factor behind us, behind not only us, behind the universe. So if we know that, if we accept that, then we remain at zero all the time. So our heroism is only one thing, that is remaining in zero. The only thing we know is that we know nothing. So that is our knowledge. Our knowledge is that we know nothing. When we reach a stage that we know nothing, then God will work through us. May God bless you all the time. May God bless all of us all the time. So thank God for enabling me to talk, and thank Guru also for enabling me to talk. I thank all of you for listening me. Thank you very much. We have reached the last letter, that is Isad. Normally we say A to Z. We also reached from A to Z. We started from A and now we have reached Z. So may all of you work through all the letters so that you can reach success through any one of the letters. Any one of the letters will help you if you are attentive, if you have constant listening, if you have constant attention, then automatically these letters will take to the realm of success. May God bless you to lead you to success, and you also must lead yourself to success. Thank you all again and again.